Hi guys, welcome to another video of Honest Cooks. Today I will be showing you my tried and tested recipe of pickled red onions. Let's get started. For this recipe, we will be using half a cup of white distilled vinegar, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 airtight jar. For the pickling spice mix, we'll use half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 pieces of star anise, 1 medium-sized cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. You can also use yellow mustard seeds if you have, and of course 1 red onion. When your onions are chopped, put them in your jar, close the lid, and give it a good shake to open them up. To make the pickling liquid, add your water and vinegar to a hot pan. Now add your salt and sugar and give it a good stir. Add in all of your spices and stir it once again just to make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cover it with the lid and bring it to a boil. When you see that your liquid is boiling, just stir it once again to make sure that the salt and sugar have dissolved and are not sticking to the bottom of the pan, and turn off the heat. Pour the hot liquid into your jar of onions and press the spices under the onions. Close the lid and let it sit out till it comes to room temperature. Once it is room temperature, then you can move it to the fridge and you can use this for up to 3 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know how it turned out in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.